Welcome to Politics Watch. This is Sir P. Now, today I'm going to talk about the new SOEs them are drop. The government them announced it on Sunday. Said there will be new SOEs. This time in 7 police divisions: St. James, Westmoreland, Hanover, St. Andrew South, Kingston Western, Kingston Central, and Kingston East. Now, some of them they are downright obvious. If SOE are going to drop, you already know where it's going to drop. You know, say St. Andrew South can't miss out on it. You know, say Kingston Western can't miss out on it. St. James. But if somebody tell me when I was growing up that Hanover would get to the point where Hanover need to drop in the SOEs, Hanover were used to quiet. Hanover were one time man from town, man from Spanish town used to laugh and say, you're a countryman if you come from Hanover. No, Hanover a bad man place. It is now amongst highly acidic company. I never know when I live to say that either. What next? That's why I tell people, say, don't be fooled in the thinking. Say, it's impossible for the place them who have low murder now, right, to get bad. That's why I tell people like Portland and them places, say, Wallan Pound the parish. Don't make nobody tell them about that can't happen me, sir. Can't happen me, sir. Spanish town man alone and town man alone. Anyway, couple numbers stand out to me. The first one, them say up to Friday, 1,240 murders in Jamaica. That don't really surprise me, because me I keep track of that. You know what, really, right, catch me off guard? The fact that the police commissioner mentioned that 1,100 people get shot, but they're not dead. Let me tell you why that's significant. That is 1,100 on top of the 1,240. According to my unicorn maths, that's 2,340 people get shot in Jamaica so far this year. 2,340. 1,100 get shot, but them still alive. You know what that means? One of the things they want to keep crime rate lower in Jamaica is the fact that 87s can't shoot. Imagine that. 1,140, almost as much people get shot and survive as people, right, will get killed. And remember, out of the 1,240, and the whole of them dead by a gun. No for that a knife and cutlass and all kind of things. So those 1,100 get shot alone. Remember, this is a country where there is no law in place to deal with illegal gun trafficking. If 50% of the 1,100, if 87 did kill half out of the 1,100, again, remember I'm not going to school, but I think that's 550. When you add that 550 there, on top of the 1,240, right, you get 1,790. I think. That would be where Jamaica would have stand right now. 1,790 people. Remember that talk about the 1,600 murder years? Jamaica would have reached 17. If it was half of the 1,100 they did. If 87s could shoot more effectively, we would have see real murder rate. Things so serious at Jamaica that one of the strategies them for keeping crime rate down is, as a nation, we have to hope that 87 right, just can't shoot or them to catch them witness at point blank range. Because you know the most 87s catch them victims at point blank range. The next thing that stand out to me, 32% and of the national figure in terms of murders come from those 4 divisions in Kingston and St. Andrew. 4 divisions responsible 32% alone. And of course you know how to end crime in these divisions, right? Just give the 87s them more money. That's how you see. These press conferences are a waste of time. We all know how to end crime, according to Simon. Just give the youth them more money. What bird brain, right? And the 87s them when I West Kingston and East Kingston and Central Kingston, give them more money. Then you know the crime will go drop. You know, just like how community policing I go fix crime at Jamaica. Because you know, 87s I go watch police coming at bad man place. And I'm going to say, hey, what going over this one? Somebody going to say, well, you know, say, the police them do some community policing and you know, building great bonds with the residents, and the residents are going to turn on and 87s are going to say, oh, alright, I could just sit down and watch how this one. Yeah, maybe in Disneyland. You mean that the country where people just want hear say you're in farm and you end up in the river? Yeah man, community policing go. Somebody tell me something. How much community policing you think go on? Malawi, Burkina Faso, right, and these countries, Sierra Leone, you know, destitute countries, far poorer, far more corrupt, less educated, every metric worse, yet still them not produce 87 of them, but Jamaica produce, right, and the murder it look like Jamaica. How much community policing you think go on in Malawi? How effective you think the Malawi government, right, and the Burkina Faso government, right, is at community policing? That's a fantasy dreamt up in a lecture rooms, right, and lecture halls, right, and college campuses. And when you have nice big pretty press conferences, then you can stand up in your suit and talk about community policing and crime plan, and it's all rubbish. There's only one way this is going to go. The job of the government and the security forces is to deal with the 87s, the 90s, the 116s that already exist, and the job of stopping youth from going on the conveyor belt is the responsibility of all Jamaicans. 87s, monsters are created in the homes, in the communities. That's where they are nurtured and developed. No social program and no community policing can't do nothing for a J-Bad and a sci-fi and a bigger crime. That's complete rubbish. Get that foolishness out of the head. Right? It is our job to deal with the conveyor belt, and it is Prime Minister Andrew Holness and Dr. Horace Chang's job right now, because they're in power, to deal with the 87s that exist already. I'm showing the numbers already. I'm showing what real poverty look like. I'm showing what real corruption look like. And even them places they can't test Jamaica's murder rate. You think Trinidad, they're so high upon the murder rate because of poverty? It's because all of the countries without the murder charge have the same social issues like Jamaica in terms of how youths are developed and nurtured. The same culture. This is culture and mindset. Under culture you can put many arrows. One of them we talk about, for example, you know, who get ratings and who get big up. The next one, arguably one of the biggest one, is one, how we not just create children, but how we grow them and nurture them. Right? The structure where them grow under. That right there so is the conveyor belt. Right? Culture and mindset. Let me nobody tell you about no. You think the government of Burkina Faso, right, and these countries I'm showing have lower murder rate than even the UK and the US. And you think them outperform the UK and the US because governments that can't even put on pot on fire have better social programs and better community policing than Jamaica? When Jamaicans could go out in bed, right, and let them do on them window work in some communities, how much programs did I run at them place there? Tell me now. How much enough people never even know the name of police them time there. They were not producing the 87s in the first place. Communities could police themselves. That can't happen now. Government job is to deal with 87s that exist, right? And the society's job is to deal with the conveyor belt. No government program, no community policing that go deal with what go on in West Kingston or St. James. The type of youths that go on to be sci-fi, J-Bad and Nevada Hodges, them no want to be like no soup or walk through no community or go up and a shake no hand. Them no business about that soup, them no want you nothing from you. Them no rate, right, the constable. Them no rate no lecturer down at UWI. Them no want to be like you. Them want to be like the bad man that come before them. This is culture and mindset. When you're not ready to acknowledge the facts, right, them youth, them real grievance is not with society. Them real grievance is with the people where them born under. Talk to your favorite 87, talk to your favorite serial killer from America, and you will see they either have mommy issues, daddy issues, brother issues, uncle issues. These are the people who grow up, right, to wreak havoc in a society. Your family fail you before society ever will. Right? And when you go to school, you start meet other people. Most people are shaped. Right? When you talk about people, he's a monster. Those monsters were created most times by them parents, by their family, by their communities, and then them drop on society. Society is the last piece of the puzzle. After all, what is a society? Right? What is a country? What is a nation? It's a group of communities. Right? It's community over here, and inside those communities there are homes. Society is not some dopey walking around, right? Just a torment youth and turning the monsters. I will not turn youth them into monsters. Jamaican people are turning them, pitting them into monsters. Jamaica one of the highest femicide rating in the world. A country where most youths grow up with their mother, kill woman, like how people kill mosquito or Portmore. We produce killers, like how China make t-shirt. Show me the bad man place anywhere in the world and I will link the culture. I'll show the same thing when you say Jamaica in a different language and a different accent. But for years we are here about poverty. If the youths them just have more money, then they wanna grow up come kill. Meanwhile, entire nations we don't even have a chimney for sit down pan. Must be looking off from a distance thinking, man, Jamaica must be full of Simons. So now we have another SOE. At first, when it just dropped, the numbers them show them like get some results. Then it get to a point where I realized that it is them figure out what go on. Alright, them say, alright, checkpoint is, so alright, we can't move in time of day. Then crime did a jump up back. Then we say SOE gone. SOE come back, SOE gone. Make us see what happened this time. But understand this. This is a band-aid and will always be. This is not a medium to long-term solution for the crime. Having 87s, having gangs, just a cool out, and when 6 months pass and them not killing other people, it don't mean say, right, no strategy at work. As long as those gangs exist, then Jamaica will always be at their mercy for when time them flare up. That means the gangs have to be dismantled from the top to the bottom. And that cannot happen without legislation. That cannot happen without updating these tired and outdated laws. The laws them tired and popped down like a donkey. Let me take that back. My apologies to the donkey community. Donkeys are actually very reliable. Right? Donkeys can actually go for long periods of time, right, on a drop down. Right? Donkeys are much stronger than Jamaican legislation. Donkeys are much stronger than the Jamaican justice. So my apologies to the donkey community. Let me take that back. But the laws them outdated. Right? So when I go to hold on for 187, then what? You hold on for 100 man with 100 guns and mobile, then what? When I give them on 3 months, on 2 years, come back on the road, come, they might get bail instantly, go kill people. Any kind of police action have to be backed up by legislation. Criminals in America don't fear the feds because the feds can hold on upon them and lock them up. Them afraid of the feds because them afraid of fed time. And in some states them afraid of, you know, the last meal where you get for them send you off. But in the business board not get hold on upon. Going to jail and then get Lego is a stripe for your gunman. Let me say that again. Police lock up man and then man get bail and get Lego and beat charge. That's a stripe for your 87. Reputation boosts. More kerosene that. Look young youth them who are double but going on the conveyor belt. When them seen touch back road, they must say, well, and then a 3 murders them do and then police hold on upon him and 2 months and come back on road, yo, them under a real G. Them under a real top man. So it's hold on upon man, and the Lego man counting on the real laws, they sink them. You know what? A fool no show me, just watch it. Anyway, Patreon squad, big up on yourself. PIA, you don't know, more life. Vulture squad, stay circling. Bless.